Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is interview question: for how long you wish to stay in this company? For how long you wish to stay in this company? Ladies and gentlemen, during any kind of interview, this is the most common question which most of the HRs ask. How long you wish to stay in my company? Now, what is the reason why HRs are asking this question? Ladies and gentlemen, employers always love those candidates who are highly stable and who want to stay in an organization for a longer period of time. When a company hires you, the company invests on you. Because when you get hired for an organization and you are told that you have to work in this particular project, before actually starting working on that project, you undergo certain trainings. They give you training in personality development and communication skills so that you can communicate effectively with every other employee of the organization or whosoever is associated with that particular project where the company wants to put you. Then they give you certain technical trainings on the devices that you will be operating on during that particular project. The devices on which you will be working, the technical devices on which you will be working, after becoming the part of that project, you get training in that technology also. And then with every industry, along with the employees of the organization, there are many other players like vendors of the organization, distributors of the organization, third-party partners of the organization, clients of the organization. So there are so many other stakeholders, and how you have to deal with these stakeholders positively by maintaining the reputation of your organization. This type of training is also given to you before actually aligning you in a particular project. So what are the crucial areas on which you receive training after becoming the part of a company? They train you in personality development and communication skills. They train you on technical tools and devices on which you have to work. They train you on other necessary technical devices that you will require along with the task that you are actually doing. Plus, they teach you how to positively deal with vendors, how to positively deal with distributors, how to positively deal with third-party partners of the organization. They teach you mergers and acquisitions. They teach you asset management, vendor management, facilities management. And then there are many other areas to explore, ladies and gentlemen. Organizations, as long as you are the part of a company, organizations keep giving you training related to everything, whatever they think is necessary for you. And most of the trainings are given initially, as I have already said, before actually aligning you in a particular project. So after gaining large number of trainings, after upgrading your professional personality to a great level, you start working in a company and then you leave that organization just after 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. It is not good for that organization in any way. And not only for the organization, it is not good for you also in any way. Because when you join a company, that company has got a particular atmosphere. That company has got a particular corporate culture and you get trained according to that corporate culture. Once you receive the training, after receiving the training, if you leave the organization after 6 months of working, you will never be able to understand the corporate culture of that organization. In order to understand the corporate culture, you need to implement all those things thoroughly which you have learned during training. That's why you need to stay in an organization for at least 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, staying in an organization for this particular period is very much required if you want to maintain your professional stability. When you join a company, please try to work over there for 7 to 8 years. There are many cases in corporate scenario, ladies and gentlemen, wherein people join an organization as fresher and then they only get retired from that particular organization. They never leave that company. This is the level of dedication that they show towards one particular organization, and this is essential. Now, it is also important that people keep changing their jobs according to the salaries and according to other growth perspectives, but still, you need to maintain a good level of bonding with a particular firm that you have joined. Now, how long a person is going to stay with a particular company, it depends on other factors also. And what are these factors? The company should provide consistent growth opportunities to the employee. The company must provide consistent increment in salary according to the performance of the employee. Now, if the company is providing good opportunities for growth with consistent increment in salary, only then the employee is going to stay in that particular organization. This is the fact of life. Whenever employees start thinking that this particular organization is not considering my hard work, this particular organization is not giving me anything in return of my hard work and dedication, employees leave that organization. Very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody is going to work in such a company which is not recognizing their caliber and their commitment. So both these things are required. The organizations should also try to recognize hard work and dedication of their employees. And when organizations are recognizing your hard work and dedication, it is your responsibility to be there for a longer period of time, because it establishes your own professional credibility. When you stay in an organization for a longer period of time, you come to explore that organization at all levels. Now, initially, when you join the company for a few years, you explore your own specific domain. But when you spend a longer period of time, 15 years, 16 years in a particular organization, you come to know about every aspect of it. Then what happens? Along with your own specific knowledge related to your own subject, you also come to know about different other fields in which people are working in that company. So it broadens your horizon. It enhances the level of your knowledge. You come to know about more different things that are happening in an industry which are different from your specific profile. And this is how you grow. So ladies and gentlemen, these things are very much essential if you want to stay in a company for a longer period of time. If the company is consistently providing you good growth opportunities, good learning opportunities, and consistent increment in salary according to your performance, according to your hard work, definitely you are going to stay in that particular organization for a longer period of time. That's why whenever this question is asked to you during any interview that how long you wish to stay with us, straight away you say, sir, ma'am, as long as I am getting consistent growth opportunities and a good future for myself, I will stay in your company. As long as I am getting good growth opportunities, good learning opportunities, I will stay in your organization. If I keep getting good growth opportunities, I will stay in your organization forever. And once again, I am repeating this thing, ladies and gentlemen, there are many such scenarios wherein people join a particular organization as a fresher and then they only retire from that organization. There are many such instances, there are many such examples. Why it happens? Only because of one reason, that the organization is providing consistent growth opportunities and consistent increment in salary according to the caliber and knowledge of the employee. This is the reason why people stay with a particular organization for a longer period of time. So, while answering this question, straight away you should say that, sir, as long as I am getting good growth opportunities, I will stay with your organization. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.